Hi there again, future RNs. This is another set of nursing drills. This time, the topic is hygiene. What is the first part to be washed in a complete bed bath? It's the eyes, and in what direction should you wash the eyes? Wash it from inner to outer canthus. What about the last part to be washed in a complete bed bath? It's the perineum, and wash it downwards towards the direction of the anus. What is the recommended temperature of water in a bed bath? It's 40 degrees Celsius, but you consider the client's preference. The nurse should wash the extremities in this direction. Wash the extremities towards the heart in order to promote venous return. What is the direction in filing or cutting toenails? File or cut toenails straight across. When combing hair, comb hair starting from the ends to prevent tangles. What do you call the foul-smelling accumulation of saliva, epithelial cells, and food debris in the mouth? This is called plaque. This is different from tartar. Plaque is soft and easy to remove. Tartar has been solidified and will need special instruments in a dentist clinic. In the circular technique of brushing the teeth, the bristles are placed at blank degree angle with the tips of outer bristles under the gingival margin. Place the bristles at a 45-degree angle. Change toothbrush every 3 months. If you have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. Shave hair in which direction? It is towards the direction of hair growth. When shaving against the direction of hair growth, there will be a closer, cleaner shave, but there is a greater chance of hurting the skin. So, shave towards the direction of hair growth. When assisting a client with one-sided weakness with dressing, start with which side? Start with the weak side. Magiging RN ako. Magiging RN ako. Magiging RN ako.